Very pleasant good morning to all children. Welcome back to our English class. In English class, we are discussing grammar, that is direct to indirect speech. In previous classes, we completed two types of sentences. Remaining two types of sentences we are going to cover in this class, complete in this class. First of all, once again, we remind what is direct and indirect speech. Direct means the message which we listen from the speaker, we are trying to convey as it is without any changes, exact words of the speaker. That is direct speech. Indirect speech means we are making some changes to convey the same message. That is indirect speech. It is already we discussed in the previous class, and here very important point is, see children, here this is the sentence. This is the sentence in the direct speech. Here we have to remember very important point. The sentence which is within the inverted comma, within the quotation is reported speech. And the sentence which is without the without the inverted comma is reporting speech. In reporting speech, reporting verb is important because it changes according to the type of the sentence. So here reporting verb is important. And next, that reporting speech, reported speech is separated by comma. So this is the important point you have to remember here. Very important point is reporting verb. Reporting verb changes according to type of sentence, but no change in tense. It remains in same tense. If it is given past tense, remains past tense. But only words are changed. Reporting verb is changed basing on the type of the sentence. And next, in indirect speech, the points to remember, the first one is no need to use inverted comma and comma. In that place, we have to use connector to join reporting speech and reported speech. But that reporting verb, sorry children, sorry, reporting verb changes basing on the type of the sentence. If it is a question, we have to write reporting verb asked. If it is a suggestion, we have to write suggested. If just a statement, we have to write said. And next, coming to the connectors. Connectors also differs basing on the type of the sentence. To join reporting verb and reported verb, we have to use connector. To join reporting verb and reported speech, we have to use connector. That also change differs depending on the type of the sentence. In the first class, we discussed assertive sentence, isn't it, children? In the
Yes,
first class,
madam.
yes. For assertive sentence, what is the connector we use to connect reporting verb and reporting speech and reported speech?
Told.
What is the connector we use to join reporting speech and reported speech in assertive sentence?
Ma'am.
Nana, once again.
If we
ఫస్ట్ టైప్ డిస్కస్ చేసాం కదా అసర్టివ్ సెంటెన్స్. దాంట్లో మనం మిడిల్ లో కొటేషన్ ని ఇన్వర్టెడ్ కామా తీసి ఆ ప్లేస్ లో ఏం యూజ్ చేసాము? అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకొని చెప్పాలి ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ రిపోర్టింగ్ వెర్బ్. ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ అబౌట్ కంజంక్షన్. కంజంక్షన్ ఏది?
That.
Yes, very good. That అనే కంజంక్షన్ యూజ్ చేసాం. And in the yesterday class, we discussed interrogative sentence. In interrogative, there are two types. For yes or no type, what is the connector we used?
If or whether.
Whether. Yes, very good.
Whether.
For question word sentences, double H form questions,
Oh, no, ma'am.
same question
No,
word.
ma'am.
We used same
Same question
word.
word.
So that we have to, here in indirect speech, we have to remember that reporting verb changes basing on the type of the sentence, and connector we have to use basing on the type of the sentence, and remaining changes all for all sentences remains change. Let me see what are those. Yes, in the previous class we completed assertive sentence, interrogative sentence. Today we are going to discuss imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. By today we are closing this grammar topic. Yes, here see imperative. First you see imperative sentence, a sentence through which an order is given or request is made or suggestion or advice. All suggestions, advice, request, order, these are all comes under imperative sentence. And next coming to the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence, a sentence that expresses the feeling of sorrow or surprise. It may be yes, it may be sorrow or surprise. It may be sad feeling, it may be happy feeling. We are expressing something, we are sharing something to others. So that expressions comes under exclamatory sentence. Let me see in detail. See here, imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence that tells someone to do something. So, to do something means it is giving some orders, give advice, instructions, and that express a request or command. So here for a few examples are here. See, go to work, don't do that, don't walk on the grass, you should study hard. These are all suggestions, instructions. So these are all comes under imperative sentence. Here, see, imperative to use, giving a direct order or command. Wake up now. It's a order or a command from your parents, maybe, or your teachers. And next, imperative to use, giving a warning or provision. So here warning means advice. Watch out, don't touch me. And next, imperative to give advices. Don't be panicked, don't eat too much, don't watch TV. And next, imperative use it to give instructions also. Go straight ahead, then turn left, take the pill after a meal. And next, request. So these are all comes under imperative sentence. Suggestion, order, request, command, these type of instructions all comes under imperative sentence. This is also the same. See here it is giving order, get out. Here it is request, please ask to leave the table. And advice, don't eat yellow snow. Instruction, turn left at the junction. Here it is warning, look out. So these are all the instructions. These are all comes under imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, sometimes we are saying what to do. Then the sentence will be in positive. In some situation, we are saying what not to do. So then it will be in negative. If we want to give a say sentence in negative, we have to use not. So here we have to use not to make it negative sentence. See for example here first one, get up early. It's a negative, it's a positive statement. Get up early, it is in positive. If we want to say in negative, we have to use not. But direct we can't use not here. To add not, we have to use do form. So do not get up early. Do not get up early. It is negative form. Positive form is get up early. Negative form is don't get up early. And next, park your car here. It is positive. To make it negative, we have to add not. Don't park your car here. Post those letters. Don't post those letters. So, in positive, here most probably there is no subject. Subject undadu ikkada. We have to understand that if subject is not given, it is you. Ikkada subject lekapothe subject you ani మనం అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోవాలి. Next, To make it negative, we have to use not. We can't use not directly here, so we have to add do. Do not post those letters. So this is negative and positive. And next coming to the exclamatory sentence. Here exclamatory is a sentence which express strong or sudden feeling or emotion like surprise, pain, delight, anger, disgust, etc. See, here we can use these expression words to express our feelings. Hooray! Our cricket team has won the series. Here we are all happy because our cricket team has won the match. And next here, alas, he lost the race. It's a sad feeling. He lost the race. So to express, we can use some expression words, exclamatory words, and also without those using question words. Here also we can use question words to express our feelings. See here, what a pity. What an idea. So here, what a wonderful country Ireland is. So we can use question words to express our feelings. We can use exclamation words, surprising words, and next double H form question words also to express our feelings. So this is imperative. These are all expressions we can use to express our feelings. It may be sad or it may be happy. Next, now coming to the important point. As we discussed, the rules are same to change from direct to indirect speech, only differ in 2 or 3 points. Let me see what is the first point. The first point is identifying subject, object, reporting verb, and in reporting speech, and pronoun, verb, is there any adverb, all this in reported speech. This is same for all type of sentences. And next coming to the reporting verb. Coming to the reporting verb. See children, for imperative sentence, said to or said, changed to, ordered, requested, suggested, advised, basing on the type of the sentence. If it is request, we have to write requested. If it is order, we have to write ordered. If it is suggestion, we have to write suggested. For imperative sentence, reporting verb, said to or said, changed to, ordered, suggested, requested, or advised. And next coming to the exclamatory sentence. Coming to the exclamatory sentence, reporting verb, said or said to, changed to, exclaimed with joy if it is happy, exclaimed with sorrow if it is sad situation. Children, you have to note down important points. Here reporting verb for imperative sentence, changed to ordered, requested, suggested, or advised basing on the sentence, given sentence. In exclamatory sentence, it changed to exclaimed with joy or exclaimed with sorrow or exclaimed with wonder. Is it clear? This point is clear? And next coming to the third point, we have to remove inverted commas and comma. In that place, we have to use we have to use connector to join reporting speech and reported speech. See, for imperative sentence, we have to use to. In a previous class, for assertive sentence, we used that as a conjunction. And in interrogative, for yes or no type question, we used if or whether. And next for double H form question, same question word. Now, for imperative sentence, we have to use to as a conjunction. And next for exclamatory sentence, same that as a conjunction. These points you have to remember. Remaining all changes are same. Mahesh? And next, is it clear? Shall I go to next slide?
Okay, madam. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Here, let me discuss one example basing on the 3 points. See here in direct speech, she said to him, please study hard. What type of sentence it is? Please study hard. please. Here please is given, so it is a request. Request comes under imperative sentence. So here for imperative sentence, said to change to request or requested, suggested, ordered, like that. But here given sentence is request. So here we have to write requested. So in imperative sentence, said to change to requested. And next coming to the connector. For imperative sentence, after removing inverted commas and comma, here we have to use to as a connector to join reporting speech and reported speech. And next coming to the exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Mahesh, mute.
Next.
See children, coming to the children, my voice is audible to you?
Yes, madam.
Is it audible?
Audible, madam.
Okay, good. See, next here
వినిపిస్తుంది మేడం.
coming to the exclamatory sentence. See here, reporting verb is said. Here it is exclamatory sentence. A loss, there is no way out. It's a sad feeling. So here reporting verb we have to change exclaimed sadly or exclaimed with sad, exclaimed with sorrow. And next coming to the connector, after removing inverted commas and comma, for exclamatory sentence we have to use that as a conjunction, that as a connector. Shall we go to the next? Yes.
Okay,
First three rules we discussed. Next coming to the fourth rule, change in pronoun. And next, change in pronoun. Pronouns change. First person changes according to the subject. Second person changes according to the object. Third person remains unchanged. This is the change in pronoun. We have already discussed in the previous classes. And next, change in tense. Here children, very important point, remember, change in tense. What we discussed in the previous class, if it is given present tense, it changes to past tense. If it is given past tense, it changes to past perfect. If past perfect is given, it remains unchanged. But very important point, in imperative sentence, no change in tense. No change in tense. In imperative sentence lo tense maradu. Edi reported speech lo tense maradu. Same as it is tense manu rayali. Past tense loki marchkodu. Only applicable for imperative sentence. Is it clear? And next, change in adverb as it is what we discussed in the previous class. And in the last point, replace an exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentences ends with exclamation mark. So that exclamation mark we have to replace with full stop. So here what is the important point today you have learned? That is, in imperative sentence, no change in tense. No change in tense. Okay. Okay, let me start the exercise now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
yes.
madam.
Yes, very
Okay.
good. See, first of all, tell me what type of sentence it is. Is it imperative?
Requested.
Huh?
Imperative.
Yes, very good. It's a
Imperative.
Imperative
For
sentence.
imperative sentence, what is the connector we have to use?
To.
Yes, very good.
To.
For
To.
imperative sentence, we have to use to as a connector.
To.
And reporting verb change to
That.
reporting verb enga maartundi, said to change to
Tense.
Requested.
because it is a request. It is a request, so here we have to write requested. And remaining changes are same. Yes, children, tell the answer.
She requested.
She
She
requested
requested to me.
requested to
She
you change.
requested
Requested me
To me.
to us.
Two.
Two.
Two is the
Us.
character. Yes,
Two.
listen here. After writing two, here no need to use of please. No need to use of please because sentence is already request. So no, here already we mentioned requested. So no need to use
Okay.
please once again.
Help me.
So to
Help me.
help me. Here verb is
Help me.
verb is help, but no change in tense. Tense మార్చకూడదు కాబట్టి same. Help me. Me is which person? Me is first person. It changed
First
according
person.
to
Subject.
Subject. Here subject is
She.
she. So here for she,
He.
me did
Help her.
Naraj.
third person. ఏం రాయాలి మనం ఇక్కడ? Her. See here table కూడా మనం నేను పెట్టాను. It's a object pronoun. In the place of me we have to write
Subject.
Us.
Us.
Us. Us.
her. So answer is she requested me to help her. She requested me to help her. It's very easy. Imperative sentence is very easy.
Next one, madam.
వాటితో గొర్రెలు పోలా
Mesh.
Yes, children. Next. Yes, here subject
Okay,
is
madam.
subject is
మేడం మ్యూట్ చేయండి మేడం
children unmute చేసుకుని ఆన్సర్స్ చెప్పాలి.
Mute చేసుకోరా.
And next here reporting verb. Reporting verb is
Reporting.
Side 2.
side to, and him is object is
Object. Him.
yes. And next here there is no person. Here
Do not
verb is waste.
No,
Verb is waste. No adverb. No
Waste.
persons. So here
person
now start telling answer. Teacher.
Teacher.
Requested.
Here said to change according to given sentence. Don't waste water.
send me
Don't waste water అనేది రిక్వెస్ట్ సజెస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఏంటి?
Request, madam.
టీచర్ రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తారా డోంట్ వేస్ట్ వాటర్ అని? ఆర్డర్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ sometimes gives suggestions. So here మనం ఏం రాయాలి? టీచర్ ఆర్డర్
Order.
teacher ordered teacher ordered him. Next it is the imperative sentence, so connector is
to
to. One more important point. Children ఒకవేళ మీటింగ్ గనుక ఎండ్ అయితే మళ్ళీ రిజాయిన్ అవ్వండి.
ఓకే మేడం
Yes, next teacher ordered him. Here conjunction connector is to. But Narsimha, Raghavendra, all are there. See here very important point. Here the
మామూలు
given sentence is in negative. Negative లో ఇచ్చినప్పుడు children don't talk. See here teacher ordered him. Here we have to use to join these two sentences, but the sentence is in given sentence is in negative, so here we have to use not to. If sentence within inverted commas is in negative, we have to use not to. So here we have to write not to. As we discussed in the previous class, no, we do, did, does అనేవి మనం యూస్ చేయకూడదు. ఇండైరెక్ట్ స్పీచ్ లో we never use do, does, did. So here no need to use do. So remaining we have to write because no change in verb.
Not
Waste
water.
water. So now answer is
Water.
teacher ordered him not to
Teacher
waste
ordered
water.
him not to
When
waste
the
water.
given sentence within the quotation is in negative, we have to use not to. Positive lo
Not
unte
to.
to use chali, negative lo unte not to use chali. This is the
Not
important
to
point. And next,
Okay, madam. రాజు unmute చేసుకోరా.
yes children, next one. Here what is the subject?
He.
He is subject. And next, reporting verb.
Said to.
Said to.
Are the subject.
Me. Her is object.
Said to is reporting verb. And
Her
next,
is
her
object.
is object.
Her is
And
object.
here, please, it means it's a request. And next here,
Request.
person, me. Me is
First person.
first
First
person.
one. First person.
Your is
Your is
Second person.
second
Second
person.
person.
Second
And
person.
here, time and place,
Camera.
adverbs are not
One
given.
day.
One
One
day
day.
remains the same, one day. So, let me start writing answer.
అవునండి.
Yes. He said to change to
Requested.
requested because it is a request. Requested. What is the object?
Her.
Requested
Her.
her. Next, what is the connector?
Two.
What is the connector?
Two.
Yes, two. Sentence is in
Two.
positive, so we have to use two. And next, no need to use because already we used requested. And next, two.
He.
There is no subject, so directly we can write verb to land. To land.
They
Next,
learn.
me. Me is the first person. It changes according to subject. Here subject is
Subject.
me. So here me related he. So here what we have to write? Him. Lend him. So children here the object pronoun me ki related third person pronoun her gani, him gani, it gani, them gani rayali, but subject is person is masculine, male kabatti him అని రాయాలి. So lend him. Lend him your camera. Your is possessive adjective in the place of your. Your changes
her camera.
according to the
Her
object.
camera.
So
Her
here
camera.
we have to write her.
Her.
Her
Her
camera.
camera. For
one day.
for one day. At the end, full stop.
One day.
He requested her to lend him her camera for one day.
One day.
And next one. Yes, doctor said to him, avoid unhealthy food.
But answer delete చేయండి మేడం.
Yes, here doctor is subject. Next said to
Reporting
Verb.
reporting verb. And next him is object.
start person.
And next here avoid. Avoid is verb. And next no persons, no any adverbs. So here answer is doctor.
Doctor
Said to
suggestion.
very good. Doctor మనకి
Suggestion.
suggest చేస్తారు. ఇవి తినాలి, అలా ఉండాలి, ఇలా ఉండాలి, అలా ఉండాలి, ఇలా suggested. Doctor
Suggested to.
Doctor suggested him.
Suggested him.
What is the connector? To
Avoid unhealthy food.
మేడం అవాయిడ్ నెగటివ్ కాదు మేడం ఇది
ఏంటన్నా?
నెగటివ్ కాదు మేడం
అవాయిడ్ అన్హెల్దీ ఫుడ్. నెగిటివ్ అంటే ఇక్కడ సెంటెన్స్ నాట్ టు అని లేదు కదా, డు నాట్ అని లేదు కదా. సో హియర్ అపోజిట్
Okay,
వర్డ్
madam.
is given unhealthy food, we are using same unhealthy food. If it is used not,
అలాగే
do not కానీ does not, not అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు నాట్ టు అనేది రాసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్
అలాగే.
ఎండ్ ఫుల్ స్టాప్. నెక్స్ట్
madam.
నెక్స్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్, బాస్.
Side to employees.
Boss said to
బాస్ is subject.
Boss, subject,
Boss is subject.
said to reporting
Renew-
verb. Employee is object.
Object.
Next get is verb. Get out of the room. Here it is order from the boss. Boss ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఎంప్లాయీస్ కి
Yes, madam. Order ఇస్తాము.
అథారిటీ కింద వర్కర్స్ కి ఏం చేస్తారు, ఆర్డర్స్ ఇస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో బాస్ ఆర్డర్డ్ ఎంప్లాయీస్. సో హియర్ ఆన్సర్
Boss ordered
ఆర్డర్డ్
employee,
ఎంప్లాయీ
to
టు
get
get
out
out
of
of the room.
గెట్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ది రూమ్. చాలా ఈజీ కదా, ఇంపరేటివ్ సెంటెన్స్. నో
అవును మేడం.
చేంజెస్, just we have to write connected. And next one.
गणेश गाరు పోతుమదే మా క్లాస్ లే గణేష్ గారు పోతుము మా క్లాస్
Tumrana.
Hey,
Ma-
mute yourself. Who is discussing something?
Abdul
Abdul madam.
Ah,
Abdul
see,
Rahim madam.
Next. He is
Rahim.
subject.
He is subject.
Side to is
Side
reporting
to
verb.
reporting verb.
And next is the servant. Is the servant. Is the
Is
servant.
servant object.
Object.
Abdul Rahim, mute
Clean
yourself.
verb.
సాయంత్రమా
Next, clean is verb.
Serious
Clean is
time.
verb. And clean the room. Clean the room.
Abdul Rahim.
Order.
ఎనిమిదిరావా
Abdul Rahim.
So here,
ఎనిమిది
answer.
Abdul Rahim.
He
He ordered
Side.
ordered
He ordered to
To
servant
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 to
to
clean the room.
yes,
Clean.
clean the room.
cleaning. Clean the room.
This is the answer. Next. From next sentence, from here onwards, it's a exclamatory sentence. From here onwards, it's a exclamatory sentences. Up to now, we have discussed imperative sentences. See, children, here, yes, the first we have to do identify. So here, they is subject. And next, that is reporting verb. And the sentence with the quotation is exclamatory. This is exclamation word. No need to use these words when we are speaking to direct, indirect speech. Children, please mute yourself. మీరు ఆన్సర్స్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు మాత్రమే అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోవాలి. Not a first class to you. Yes. And next, here we is which person? Is first person. And next,
First person.
one